Hi, JDL Brushes here, and we have a new video. This time I'm working on a fashion sketch again. So yeah. But this time my rendering is actually constrained within the actual sketch. So it's kind of different, I guess, in that sense. So I'm obviously starting with the hair, and I'm not actually that great with drawing hair. So, in fact, I don't actually understand the idea of hair, at least when it comes to forms, right? So I was kind of just being random and, yeah, kind of just winging it, I guess. And so I went for the clothing thing and did some skin stuff, really just focusing on the contours. I would basically just render the the edges of the forms. And I do notice that with a lot of fashion kind of renderings, and yeah. And again, I'm working only on just the bottom of the nose, some of the eyeshadow thing, and some cheeks, and a bit of neck. And yeah, I was kind of changing up the color of the lipstick. And right now you can actually see the color is kind of dull and muted, and it's kind of boring. So I think I was trying to saturate. I actually did saturate the colors there, and yeah, at least now it looks kind of brighter and more eye-catching, right? And I think here I was trying to play around with I was trying to change the background in a way, and kind of make it seem like I did this thing on colored paper or something. But I don't know. I let go of that kind of idea. So yeah. As for the colors, though, I actually did like them, and I did like how they turned out in the end. So yeah. So I basically did let go of that kind of idea, and gosh, yeah, finally. Now I'm working on the on some of the white lines and shit, and it's actually one of my most favorite kind of activities. The finishing stages of any art piece is usually the most pleasurable, because right after doing that actual thing, you can step back and actually see your finished product, and yeah. So I was kind of trying to, or I wanted to try out the kind of silhouette kind of thing where I would border out the whole sketch. But again, I just let it go, and yeah. So now I'm working on some hair strands, and yeah. And I actually do like how the hair turned out, even though I don't understand how it works per se. It does look cool, especially with how I rendered it, and also with the initial sketch, right? Because it does have a few blobs of black, and it's just enough to kind of signify that, hey, hair. So yeah, there you go. Obviously done with the marker brush pack. Check it out. And yeah, whichever your art, whatever your tool, make it beautiful.